Yelling in the background.
Stop clapping.
Who's yelling
Nathan,
let's do it in the
just
background? Who's clapping?
That's Nathan? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's behind me.
They're brothers. They're twins. They have incest.
That, no.
Augers.
Jeez.
Wow.
I never played this map, so is this like a sniper map? What is this?
This one?
I mean,
no,
it
no,
has
it's
a
not
lot of
sniper.
open spots, so, yeah.
This is
Depends on
everything
which
but a
map.
sniper
I'm
map.
not even gonna tell you guys what to play.
Wait, Epster, what are you playing? I'm
Just
just gonna
chilling.
wait.
I'm a DPS usually.
Epster, what are you playing?
This is good practice for me though, for Doom.
I'm just gonna go Tracer. I'll try it.
Bro, Ali is actually keeping it.
When I'm with Ollie.
You think Nate's
my
looking at your
God.
screen and cheating?
Nah.
Ask him.
Oh no.
Holy crap,
They're
they're...
all.
I don't know.
They're all
I
right.
haven't played this
Left.
map.
They're all right side. They're all right
Running
side.
goats.
I don't know what they're doing, but they're right side. I got more
I got it
ammo.
on me.
Davis half.
Holy crap.
Davis one. I got the amount of mech.
I need the healing juice, please. Okay.
How did we lose that?
You need the juice.
Why
That was my
goats?
Are they running?
Nate, that's Nate!
Oh,
No,
yes,
Nate,
no.
what?
Oh my gosh, they're actually gay.
I should have went Reaper like I thought I was gonna do. Nope. No. They're coming to me. Thank you.
Don't let him touch point. Oh, he's capped.
C9.
C9, low.
Ryan on me. Ryan's low.
Well, I'm lagging. Am I dead?
Break this word, break this word!
It's so
How am I
actually.
dead? I'm at like 200 FPS. What the? Yikes, what the? Why are you hurting like much?
Oh, they're losing 2-0. Better run goats.
Oh no! Better run, go!
Ryan's low.
Oh my god, Lucio.
Oh
He's on the
no!
drum.
Mercy got a
Get him.
kill?
Easy, bro. Easy.
Oh no,
Holy crap.
we're winning?
My play.
Support's getting the kills!
Yeah.
Hey, I have 8 limbs. I have 8 limbs. I don't want to hear it.
I have 5.
I only have 3 final blows though.
I don't have final
crap.
blows.
Yeah, it doesn't show final blows for supports.
Feels bad.
Here comes their
Oh,
window.
right side.
Ryan Shatter.
They're really bad at goats for playing goats.
Anyone who's below like flat is
Yeah, I-
very good at.
Yeah, I'm gonna res this. Oh,
You're
guess
gonna
not.
actually res it?
Oh, I hate this.
Dude,
You res it?
huge res. Yep.
They pulse. I pulse off and they
Give me
leave
a-
it.
oh my god.
Fire, go,
Why?
fire, go, fire, no!
Yeah, you thought you were low, you thought. Oh my
Fire,
god.
no!
Gamora?
I will.
Lucio on me. Oh god.
Epic, you good there?
What is a slider?
Reset,
Oh god,
reset,
Ryan's
Just
low
running.
reset,
Look at
reset.
Okay.
Let me find someone. Someone come here.
Coming.
They're trying. so-
What was that?
Yeah. They're trying way too
He just came
hard.
out of nowhere.
We're not even trying to counter them. What the?
No, it's because they're running really badly.
They're going
I keep
behind
getting
us.
early picks.
Yeah.
Left side.
Le.
Skill
C9.
point. On point.
They're gonna C9 again like a win. Nut.
Again. Did they do it again, actually? Nate, stop
Oh
it!
god, Lucio low.
Somewhere and we win. Somewhere and we win.
Oh,
What?
He,
Yeah, maybe not.
He boot me into it. He boot me into it.
Shield.
He boot me into it. Well played, Lucio. Get off. No, don't take.
Dude, can I? Oh.
Okay. What's that? I have a 10-second spawn timer for some reason. That's what I mean.
Because We always have seconds in the fun.
There's one top left.
What?
They're all in the same spot again.
Are they actually
They're all doing
saying
the exact same
apple?
thing.
What the?
They're doing the exact same thing again. Literally the exact same thing.
Thick shadow.
I put up my shield. Oh, this
Okay.
isn't fair.
Bro,
Hogs Archer.
Dose is
Hoggers.
the most.
Hoggers.
Oh my
Go,
god.
go, guys, go.
Holy crap, we're doing it.
We might. Oh my god.
Zarya's here.
Keep popping off. Keep popping off. Oh.
Easy.
Easy clap.
Yep.
Yo, who has gold items? How much?
13. 13.
I was.
I'm not gonna lie to you
I lost
guys,
silver.
but in that
What's silver?
10, I believe.
Okay.
10.
Not bad.
A Zen.
Ascend.
I do. I have. Oh,
No.
Okay.
I'm left with the rest of the team. I mean, what?
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but once I saw them going goats, I didn't even do anything for that first like 2 fights. I just looked at them and I just walked around this map.
I killed the Moria the first thing when they pushed in.
I just walked around the map looking at everything.
I was giving you a bunch of orbs though.
Like, what is this?
We're gonna go
place?
Genji because this is definitely a Genji map.
Oh, I can't get up there. Okay. I guess I'm going this way. They're gonna go goats, but it's
No, they didn't. They have Genji.
Oh, great.
What are they running?
How did I kill him? What the?
I need healing. I need healing.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Got
one.
Moria.
Just one.
Okay. You got this then. Kill Dune. Yes, we could.
Right.
I need
Rodak's low.
juice, please. Okay.
I need healing. I need healing. Oh, I had my blade. I just got my blade. No. I literally had just gotten my blade. Oh, if I could. You're so dead, Zen. Zen, you are so dead. No
Oh,
way.
jeez.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Nate. I didn't know who that was. I was like, if it
wait.
was just some regular Genji challenging them would have worked pretty well, except that was Nate. I didn't expect. A regular Genji, I mean, just flat Genji. Hog is somewhere on.
Ready, Mercy?
behind us.
Alright, let's go. Not ready.
You're welcome.
Where'd he go?
Welcome, not ready. Wait, I said that wrong.
Winston, I needed that. The health back.
Save me.
Flat me. Sorry.
I'm so scared. I'm like 1 health.
Where'd he go? It's literally just a Lucio.
Testigo.
She's low. Finish her. Nice.
Have you ever noticed that
You can
Zarya's...
only lose 2 things. Pus.
What?
I forgot the other one.
Rainbow?
Why me? Why me? Why me?
Big res and res. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god.
Yours is bigger. Okay, there goes my play. Let's go. I'm actually playing so well.
Oh, I lost my silver.
I need healing. I'm down 20 HP. Heal me.
where are
Heal
you?
me. I'm right in front of you.
Oh,
Now I'm down a lot of HP.
hello, mouse?
No, Hog!
Oh god, they're on me. I got. They're on me.
Okay.
Nate just got a lot.
So confused what just happened to my body. My body just glitched out. Okay, basically what happened is I punched and at the same time I uppercutted and I
Zarya,
went
let's grab. Just grab and I'm gonna take you.
Okay,
Yep. Basically, Wally.
Yeah, I'm a Valkysin.
Heroes never die.
Help me, please.
I'm getting.
Oh, whatever. I mean,
Just grab. If you see it, just grab.
Grab!
Okay.
Oh, Rip Archer!
That's what I was asking for, so I would have died there. That's big.
Nate's one. Nate's one. Nate's one.
Back to the heal.
No, it's definitely lost. Lost.
Don't die to this, don't die to this, no, don't lower! No!
Oh my.
What?
Where was
It
it?
went through the thing. No.
Where was
I
it?
should not have died to that.
Okay, maybe it is lost.
Oh,
Press
Mercy! Go, Mercy!
Yo, run.
I'm
dude.
so confused what happened to my body.
I'm confused too. That shouldn't have killed me.
Point.
Biggest upgrade.
It's okay. We
Next
got
map.
unlucky.
Wait, someone go Ryan, karaoke's on the karaoke for it.
I was behind the Zarya and the pillar, and somehow it still killed me.
The bomb? Yeah, I saw everyone just die to that randomly.
I was so confused.
The
like,
bronze
I-
just saved the
I was hoping that wouldn't drop on Red Nix did not die from a
There's a-
Yeah, I thought that, but then I was like, don't drop, and then I realized, wait, I still died. It didn't drop.
Oh, no wonder this apple guy keeps on fighting me. He's a bronze. Okay.
Yeah.
I was wondering, why is he giving me his ult? Like, I would get my ult every like 20 seconds off of him. He would just run at me.
He only has
I'm
good
just gonna-
diva bomb.
I guess I'll stick with
Haha.
Genji. Like Genji's been working.
He's honestly a haha, to be honest. I
But he
don't know
just
how
got a
anybody
2K
could
and
be.
saved their point.
Wait,
So,
So I don't know how
I'm just
people
gonna
like
follow you around.
do that. Like, I don't know how people like
they have
win
Widow.
bronze. You know. I think I'm being
They got Widow Doomfist.
okay. Yikes.
Widow's one, but the Doomfist is on me too.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
Divas on
No, I could have killed him.
Get wrecked, Gate!
Right.
Nice. Doomfist is low, but he's probably healed by
It's
now.
Aima.
Headboard's in.
One, this is
Yikes. Okay.
Go!
Yeah.
Go! Go!
Oh my god.
I'm playing Hammond.
Help by mercy. Big. Oh.
Ouch.
Strafe to the side when everything charges up the sword.
No, come back.
No, I messed up. Okay, I'm so. I don't know this map, so I don't even know how the sword lanes work. It's kind of a cool gun.
How's your day then?
Brother 1v1. Who wins?
Wow, dude.
Oh my god.
Hey, get out of here, you actual thought. I'm probably gonna get off after.
The Ryan's overextended. Ryan's
Yeah.
overextended.
No!
Just, like,
no!
really
He's gonna kill me now.
Giant's healing. Mercy behind you. Giant's healing.
Lucio's.
I'm dead here.
Wait, what?
Bro,
Apple Jackson is carrying their
I'm
team.
not even mad. I freaking
What?
freaking made
Their bronze is actually carrying their team.
Yeah, just those
Lolly.
diva bombs are clutching everything though. Apple's the GM now.
Dude, this is cool.
That's good. Play.
Yikes.
Watch out for Ryan Shatter. He's gonna shatter.
Doomfist one when he comes down. Doomfist one when he comes down. Doomfist is one. Holy crap, how is he not dead?
Oh
Holy
god.
crap. Yeah,
I didn't get that off? Oh my god.
we're gonna lose. No. We're gonna lose because of the bronze.
Oh no.
We lost because of bronze.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I apparently have 150 ping.
Play of the game.
Okay, just give me a sec. I don't know why. I've closed everything else.
Holy
just let me
crap.
restart Discord.
That
I'll be back.
Holy crap.
I'm just gonna check the
He just danced. That was
lobby
just a
voice.
monster. Are we going to lobby voice?
You knew that, like, I should have known that thing and I missed both my shots on you. I'm like, that's it, I'm done.
I was literally
I'm gonna
touching
get out
before you
here.
could stop.
Boop.
Unless we're